So now let's see how we can work around with DeepGame inside of ChatGPT. So to do that, I'm going to go around on to Explore GPTs right here, and I'm going to go around on to DeepGame right here, just like this. So now once I do that, you can see that it says play any story as a character. You decide what to do and type visualize to get this information. So you can see that it says play any story as a character. You decide what to do next right here, just like this. So let's just go around and start the chat right here, just like this, and let's just go around with new game right here, just like this. So it says welcome to DeepGame and choose your preferred story genre to begin your adventure, like fantasy, history, detective, war, and romance, let's say, for example. So you're like role playing as you're working with DeepGame right here. So it says which genre you like to work on. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say action around over here. So action story is the heist right here. You stand on rooftop, and Max and Lila and Dent the muscle checks the gear one last time. So you see that you check your watch, it's time, and we're in security right here. So it says inside the cells lined with glittering treasure, ancient artifacts and stacks of gold bars, but your prize, a small unassuming black case said to contain revolutionary piece of technology. So I'm going to go around and say I'm going to take them all by leaving everyone behind right here. Let's say, for example, so if I were to go around and do that, you glance around the vault, greed taking hold of you, considering the sheer value of everything before you, the treasures seductively promising wealth. So now you can see that this is what you have right there. So now you can see that it says you open the bag, golden artifact spilling out, the worth is almost unimaginable. The black case sits there, remind the true value of the heist. With shaking hand you open it, revealing cutting edge technology inside. So what to do next? Let's say, for example, I throw it away. Let's say, for example, I just change the plot twist right here. So now you can see that this is what I have. So now you go around over here, look at the cutting edge technology, the sense of unease creeping in right here, just like this, and you settle into a cabin, taking stock of your new life. You know that you have to be careful right here, just like this, and start anew. What you do next? You go find your friends right here, just like this. So similarly, you can see that you can actually go around and role play out and drive the story as you get parts of it right here, just like this, inside of DeepGame. So that is how you can go around and utilize DeepGame inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.